Oppo will introduce its Find X8 series, the high-end phone of the company. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Will have a completely flat display instead of the micro quad cut screen. At the rear, there will be a 50 megapixel wide lens camera with an elegant design further. Talk about the display. Ultra will arrive with a LTPO AMOLED touch screen display. The camera system will include hazel blade tuning. There is a punch hole cutout in the front, in which 32 megapixel front facing camera. There will be an under display optical fingerprint reader and the toughest Corning Gorilla Glass protection with a silky smooth refresh rate. There will be Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset with 4.32 GHz octa-core CPU and GPU of Adreno 830. There will be 12 and 16 GB of RAM and storage will be 256, 512 GB and 1 TB. That's all for now and thanks for watching.